This is the leader of Cicada. I am speaking out today in behalf of Gladamere. I'm also pleading with the world that this should be everyone's concern. General, I hope you are still watching over me, and the spikes I see on my computer are yours. The soon-to-be war with Ukraine is a touchy situation. After hearing Joe the other day, concerns me greatly. You can hear it in his voice that he hates Gladamere and is waiting to attack at the slightest signs of trouble. This is not a war with Ukraine. It's a war between Joe and Gladamere. Joe is willing to strike first, and he will claim that it is protection to stop Gladamere. It is an old trick which I have seen many times. Gladamere is mounting forces only to aggravate Joe. He knows how much Joe hates him, so he is intimidating him to strike first. Gladamere has stated all along that he does not wish to attack. He is stating that so if Joe acts first, he has a defense to strike back at Joe. Joe does not have much patience. General, beware of that. Gladamere could be mounting forces not to strike at Ukraine, but for an excuse to attack Joe. It is also possible Gladamere is waiting so Ukraine is forced to attack. It's an old trick, and if we wait it out, Gladamere will eventually give in, for he never wanted to attack in the first place. It's just a warning for everyone to think twice. General, I still think martial law is a good idea, but that is up to you. Joe, I understand Gladamere is one of action. He would not wait too much to attack. He would have done it already if he wanted to. He is just baiting you to attack. Don't give in to him. In either case, you have to allow him the freedom of choice. If he wants to commit suicide, let him. This has been a friendly message from Cicada3301. This is everyone's concern. I seem to be the only one trying to stop it. We all need to speak out. Thank you.